What's up, guys? This is Jake and Matt with Basement Investing. Me and Matt are two kids going into college next year. Been investing for about a couple years now, and just what we wanted to do was we wanted to take a channel and create it to kids that are our age, with kids that have both experienced investing in the past 2 years and have some experience. Just thought we'd express it to someone else.
Yeah, so basically a lot of our friends, when Jake and I got into investing, I've probably been about it for 2 years now. I started looking at Bitcoin when I was 16, always interested in it. As soon as I turned 18, I opened up my own fund because you do have to be 18 to open a fund. But of a lot of our friends, because we're having success on it, a lot of our friends want to know, how do you do this? Like, how do you learn about stocks? Like, what are stocks? And we're just going to share that with kids because we feel like a lot of people on YouTube, a lot of the older guys, they're trying to tell young people how to invest with their money. These are old rich guys. They don't know what they're talking about with young new investors who are just students trying to save some money on the side.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't start with the most money, and the other people that you see on YouTube, they might be starting with like you know tens of thousands of dollars. So their trades are a little bit different. But like for people like possibly you and me, that started trading with only like $500. And just seeing growth from that $500 that I put in.
Yeah, we might not have experience as the older guys do, but just being in the stocks over a year now, I've seen the ups and downs, and I've actually made myself quite the profit too. And so we're gonna go look into that, and we're gonna show Robinhood, the platform we trade on, and show you guys how to use it.
All right, guys. So next, we wanted to go over what we trade on. Robinhood. It's available for iOS. I don't know if it's available for Android. Got to look into that. But it's a free app that you can just download and sign up for. You do have to be 18 and know your social security number, just for verification and possible tax forms. So why I chose Robinhood was because I saw it was really hot at the moment. When I got it, I know that on the App Store is the number one like finance app downloaded. So that was one reason. Another big thing is that is that on Robinhood there's no taxes on your profit. So like
It's big. That's
it is
very
big. It is big because if you go to a different platform like Thinkorswim, great platform, a little more advanced. So if you're like intermediate trading, look at Thinkorswim. I would recommend it. But for beginners, Robinhood, because you don't get taxed on your profits. While on like Thinkorswim, they take a certain percentage on the amount of money you make. Now, don't think that you don't get taxed though overall, because you do get a tax form with Robinhood on your earnings that you will have to like send in, as just part of your taxes for income tax.
Yeah, so Jake got me into Robinhood too. When I first started investing, first time I downloaded the app, I had no idea what I was really doing, and Jake really kind of helped and supported me through it. And it's just so easy to use. You know how to use it right away. And Jake and I will drop a link down in the description too. It's going to be, if you sign up through Jake and I, we both get a free stock and it benefits us. And you have the chance of getting like Amazon or Google. It's like 1 in 10,000.
Yeah, because it gives you the free stock too.
So yeah, I'm just going to run you through Robinhood right now. It's pretty simple. Right here we see the home page. It's pretty simple. You can see what you made today. This is just my day returns. You can have a week, a month, 3 months, 1 year, and then your all time. Here it gives you a lot of news on your stocks in your list. Here's the stocks I'm currently in right now. Had a pretty good day today. Now I keep my stocks in folders too. I keep them in a moves folder. It's just like what I'm looking at currently, just a watch list for me. My long term, if I ever get into a long term stocks plan, rebound, shorts, cryptos to watch. So it just keeps it really nice, orderly for you. Really easy to view any of these at any time. Next, cash management. You won't have to worry about this at first. That's just for not that important at the moment. Here's where you can search stocks, look at 100 most popular, top movers on the day. Very helpful. Here's messages. You won't be looking at this too much. It just confirms when you did transactions on Robinhood. Here's your personal things, investing, transfer statements. Most of the time, you will be either on the search bar or the homepage. Very simple app to use, and I definitely recommend it for beginning, intermediate, or even experienced investors.
All right, guys. So, why is it a good time to invest now? Well, with the corona pandemic going on, as you might know, the stock market has dropped drastically, right? And so you want to buy at that low and then try to get back and sell at that high, right? So, it's crawling up a little right now, so you got to get that opportunity before, it's too late and it's already back to where it has been.
Yeah, they're saying on the Wall Street Journal said this, that missing out on just 5 days of trading throughout a week could be the potential of missing 2 years of trading with the way the curve is going back from this pandemic. The market's correcting itself right now, and they also said a shocking report that they believe if you miss 30 days of trading, if you miss these next 30 days of trading, that could be 20 years of missed gains that you could be making.
That's
and it's
crazy.
important to start investing now. You're young. This is a savings fund for you. It's not like Venmo where you can just instantly take it out and do whatever you want with it. You have to trust your money. You trust it in this process, and we're here to help guide you through this process because it is a lot. It's a lot at first, and Jake really helped me get into this, and now we want to help more people get into this. Young students who are looking to invest.
So how do you put the money in, right? How do you put the money in? Matt, how about you show them how you you would deposit money?
Yeah, easy. You would just go over here to your personal profile all the way on the right. You would put deposits, withdrawals right here. Transfer to Robinhood. Let me put in $100 million. Do not do that because they will come after you. They do have your social security number. Transfer to your bank. So you transfer money out of Robinhood. And schedule automatic deposits. So say you can put 100 in every week and slowly start investing your money. All right, now we'll get into see how to buy a stock here. We'll go to my moves list, which is just kind of my all-around watch list. Let's take this stock. This is actually the first stock I ever bought. It's called Beyond Meat. It's like the fake meat type stuff. I don't particularly enjoy it, but it's a stock. It's a commodity. If you want to buy it, you just go for it. So here we see the price is at $78. So if you want this stock, you press the trade here, buy. When you place in market order, you can buy 1 share. When you buy 1 share, it's worth $78. So you buy 2 shares, 156, 3, you get the point there. When you buy these stocks, the price will then fluctuate throughout the day. Trading is open from 9:30 to 4 o'clock with pre-market and stand hours that we'll go through in another video. And this stock will go up and down. Stocks are mostly based off of kind of rumors. It's kind of all gossip in the financial world. Say Beyond Meat's CEO just got fired. That's bad for the company, bad for overall. That stock is mostly going to go down. It's all based off rumors, and this stuff can happen. A stock can go up 100% a day just from a simple rumor.
So how do you sell stock, though?
How do you sell a stock? So let's get into some stocks I own right now. These stocks are all mutual fund ETFs that I personally saw a lot of value and have been giving me great returns, especially this week. So back when I bought this stock, I originally bought it at a price of $50. Let's call that around that point right there. So that's when I got into the stock on March 26. Since then, that stock price has risen considerable amount, and this has made me money. I own 6 shares of this. It is 32% of my portfolio, and I have seen $82 returns on this just in this week off my shares. And so, there's a lot of different advice out there, ways to trade. We got to be straightforward. On this channel, we will be telling you about some riskier trade options to get into. This is the type of trades we do. I think with our small amount of money we're trading with, it gives us the best option to see more returns. There is different ways to go. We are always willing to give long-term advice, short-term advice, and just mid-term advice. I think I'm in a little bit of a mid-game right now with my stocks. I'm invested all into mutual fund ETFs that mostly go with the SP 500. This is the technology shares one. I got in at a low price, and it has made me money. I'm going to be holding on to that until I see that it's no longer worth the value to hold on to.
So say you're going to sell it right now. Why don't you show
So
them?
I would press the trade. There's a buy option, a sell option. I would click this sell option. I have 6 shares available. Say I only want to sell one of the shares. I will get $33.73 for that. 3 of them, 1 to 119. That is just the amount of shares multiplied by the current price of it. You can also sell all of it, and that would give me $202. I will not be doing that though because I like that stock.
All right, so next, we're going to go into our top 3 picks for this week and possibly, so a week to come after, right? These are kind of, just what we see right now. Top 3 stocks, 1 aggressive stock, 1 moderate stock, and 1 conservative stock. Just meaning that the aggressive stock is riskier, high potential, high reward, or big loss. The moderate is kind of just in between. It could give you a loss, it could give you a gain, and then the conservative one is just it's a slow gainer more. It's going to gain the money just over a longer period of time. Anyway, going into my Robinhood app, right?
Start with a risky stock.
Start with a risky stock. I mean, I've been looking at ICD. ICD is it's a contract drilling company, right out of Texas.
Yeah,
yep,
Houston,
right out of Texas. Yeah. It's a drilling company for oil. Oil right now is iffy. It's really down. We'll go back up.
Who knows what's going on with the Middle East? Who knows if we have start getting oil in-house in America? So yeah, that's our 1 risky stock. Transitioning to our moderate stock. It's called TQQQ. This is a index fund that goes with the SP 500 and the NASDAQ. You can currently get it at $63.76 a share. This stock just has so much potential for me. Look where it was at before the market crash. It was at $100, $118.06 per share. If it can go up to that or even half back to that, you're seeing significant gains just right away. That is our moderate stock. And finally, our more risky stock, good old McDonald's. McDonald's has been around. It's just such a consistent stock. You can't, any way you look at it, you just see growth after growth. It's taken a little bit of hit lately with this recession that's been going on. This is guaranteed to go back up. Pays great dividends, so you just make money. It pays you money as a stockholder so that you can just reinvest as soon as you get it back. And just an all-around great stock to have. And
you said that might be the riskier one?
No, this is the conservative stock.
One.
Sorry if I said that. This is a conservative stock for sure. Blue chip stock. Great stock.
All right, guys, to finish the video, we just wanted to have some closing remarks. Remember to download Robinhood if you want to. Our links will be below for your referral. You get a free stock, so do we. Our Instagrams are also going to be down there too. If you guys have any questions, just you could DM us at any time. Happy to answer anything. Yeah.
Yeah, and we'll be making videos every week, so if you have any specific ask or don't want to reach out in DMs, drop it in the comments. We'll be doing new ideas every week, so just stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.